Hey there! Welcome back to the PC Pal, your guide to smarter, safer computing. Today, we're going over essential PC maintenance tips every beginner should know. If your computer's getting slower, acting weird, or you just want to keep it running like new, stick around. These tips are easy, effective, and honestly, kind of fun. First up, clean out the junk. Head over to your Start menu and search for Add or Remove Programs. Go through the list and uninstall anything you don't use. Old software, toolbars, random games you forgot about. Get rid of them. Less clutter means a faster, smoother PC. Next, tackle your startup programs. Open Task Manager, then go to the Startup tab. Here, you'll see everything that loads when Windows boots. Disable stuff you don't need like Skype, OneDrive, or third-party updaters. This alone can shave 30 seconds off your startup time. Updates are annoying, I know, but skipping them can leave your system vulnerable or buggy. Go to Settings greater than Windows Update and make sure you're fully up to date. Also, keep your GPU and device drivers updated, especially if you're gaming or using creative apps. Windows stores tons of temporary files over time, and they add up. Use the built-in disk cleanup tool or storage sense to get rid of temp files, update leftovers, and recycle bin clutter. Even if you're careful, malware can sneak in. Run regular scans using Windows Security or another trusted antivirus. Go to Settings greater than Privacy and Security greater than Windows Security and hit Quick Scan. No one likes viruses, your PC included. Imagine losing all your photos, documents, or projects overnight. Yeah, not fun. Set up a backup routine using an external drive or a cloud service like OneDrive or Google Drive. Even backing up once a month can save you from a total meltdown. And also don't forget about the physical stuff. Dust buildup can cause overheating. Turn off your PC, open the case, and gently clean it with compressed air. Also, wipe down your keyboard, screen, and fans. You'll be amazed how gross they get. Next, restart regularly. This one's simple. Restart your PC once in a while. A quick reboot clears temporary memory, resets background processes, and gives your system a fresh start. Leaving it on for weeks isn't doing it any favors. And that's it. Essential PC maintenance. Keep your software tidy, your system updated, and your machine clean, and you'll enjoy faster performance, fewer crashes, and way less frustration. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the PC Pal for more tech tips made simple. Got any questions or want me to cover advanced cleanup tools? Drop a comment below.